Today I used both the Apple iPhone 16 Pro and the Google Pixel 10 Pro XL. I wanted to see how they compare. I will look at many things like design, display, performance, cameras, and battery life. I will not go into detail now. Later I will explain each topic. If you want to buy one of these phones, you can look at the links in the description. There you will find the latest prices for both phones. I hope this comparison helps you decide which phone is best for you. Both phones have good features, but they are different in many ways. You can choose based on what is most important to you. Whether you want a good design, a great display, or a long-lasting battery, I will help you understand the differences. Keep watching for the full comparison. Remember, Amazon links are in the description for easy access to prices. The Apple iPhone 16 Pro has a body that measures 149.6 mm by 71.5 mm and is 8.3 mm thick. It weighs 199 grams. The phone has a glass front and back with a titanium frame. It feels slim and solid in the hand. The Google Pixel 10 Pro XL has a body that measures 162.8 mm by 76.6 mm and is 8.5 mm thick. It weighs 232 grams. It has a Gorilla Glass front and back with an aluminum frame. The Pixel feels a little larger and heavier but still comfortable. The Apple phone is lightweight for its size and feels premium. The Pixel is a bit heavier but also feels sturdy. Both phones are easy to hold and use. The Apple iPhone 16 Pro has a 6.3-inch LTPO Super Retina Dr. OLED display. It supports 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10, and Dolby Vision. The brightness can reach up to 2000 nits. The resolution is 6012 by 2622 pixels, giving about 460 pixels per inch. The Google Pixel 10 Pro XL has a 6.8-inch LTPO OLED display. It also supports 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10+, and can reach about 3300 nits brightness. Its resolution is 3922 by 1344 pixels, with about 486 pixels per inch. The Pixel has a larger screen with a brighter display. Both screens are sharp and bright, perfect for watching videos and playing games. The Apple iPhone 16 Pro runs iOS 18 and can be upgraded to iOS 18.5. It uses the Apple A18 Pro chip built with a 3nm process. The phone has a he-core CPU with 2 cores running at 4.05 GHz and 4 cores at 2.42 GHz. It also has a 6-core Apple GPU. The Google Pixel 10 Pro XL runs Android 16 and has a Google Tensor G5 chip built with a 3nm process. It has an octa-core CPU with 1 core at 3.78 GHz, 5 cores at 3.05 GHz, and 2 cores at 2.25 GHz. The Pixel also has a PowerVR D10 GPU. Both phones offer fast and smooth performance for everyday use and gaming. They are powerful and built for efficiency. The Apple iPhone 16 Pro has no card slot and uses NVMe storage options. It comes with choices of 128GB, 256GB, 512GB, or 1TB of storage. All models have 8GB of RAM. The Google Pixel 10 Pro XL also has no card slot and offers UFS 4.0 storage. It is available with 256GB, 512GB, or 1TB of storage. The Pixel has 16GB of RAM. Both phones have ample space for apps, photos, and videos. They are suitable for most users who need fast storage and plenty of memory. Choosing between them depends on how much space you need and your budget. The main camera on the Apple iPhone 16 Pro is a triple camera setup. It includes a 48-megapixel wide camera with dual-pixel PDAF and optical image stabilization. There is a 12-megapixel periscope telephoto lens with 5 times zoom and optical image stabilization. The third camera is a 48-megapixel ultra-wide lens. The camera can record Dolby Vision HDR videos and support ProRes and spatial video. The Google Pixel 10 Pro XL also has a triple camera system. It includes a 50-megapixel wide camera with optical image stabilization, a 48-megapixel telephoto lens with 5 times optical zoom and OIS, and a 48-megapixel ultra-wide lens. It can record 8K videos at 30 frames per second and 4K videos at up to 60 frames per second. Both phones have excellent main cameras for photos and videos. The Apple iPhone 16 Pro has a 12-megapixel front camera. It features phase detection autofocus and optical image stabilization. It can record 4K videos at 60 frames per second. The camera also supports Dolby Vision HDR and spatial audio. The Google Pixel 10 Pro XL has a front camera with 42 megapixels. It can record 4K videos at 30 or 60 frames per second. The Pixel's front camera is high resolution and good for selfies and video calls. Both phones have strong front cameras for taking selfies and making video chats. The choice depends on whether you prefer a higher megapixel count or other features like video recording options. The Apple iPhone 16 Pro has a 3,558 mAh battery. It supports wired 25-watt fast charging and wireless charging with MagSafe and Qi 2 technology. It can charge to 50% in around 30 minutes. The Google Pixel 10 Pro XL has a 5,200 mAh battery. It supports wired 45-watt fast charging and 25-watt wireless charging. The Pixel's larger battery can last longer with normal use. Both phones offer fast charging for quick top-ups and wireless charging for convenience. They are built to last through a busy day and more. The actual battery life will depend on your usage habits, but both devices are designed with good battery features. Both the Apple iPhone 16 Pro and the Google Pixel 10 Pro XL are excellent choices. The iPhone offers a lightweight, premium design with a sharp display and strong performance. It is a good option for those who want a smooth experience and high-quality cameras. The Pixel is larger and heavier, but has a bigger screen and a longer-lasting battery. It also offers excellent performance and a versatile camera system. Your choice depends on what you value most. If you prefer a compact and lightweight phone, the iPhone is a good pick. If you want a bigger screen and longer battery life, the Pixel may suit you better. Both phones are powerful and reliable. You can find the latest prices on Amazon by checking the links in the description. Choose the one that best fits your needs and enjoy a great smartphone experience.